New year, and for many of us, that means that we'll be looking for a new job, or perhaps we're still looking for a new job. So good luck with that. But hopefully, there's a lot of exciting opportunities in this first quarter of 2024, and we'll all be gainfully employed. One thing we need to do is to keep track of our job applications so that we're not wondering, gosh, did I already apply to this job, or did I already apply to this company but with a different job? And perhaps someone's going to call you and say they want to have a phone interview with you, and you wonder, hey, where's that job description? And how much money did they say they would offer for this position? So, a simple tracker in Excel, or gosh, there's all kinds of ways that you can keep track of databases and whatnot, but I like to keep it very simple with a Word document. So just do something like this, or again, you can keep it in your favorite form of how you like to keep track of things. Maybe it's an Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint, who knows? But in this case, I just put down the title of my job search so I can save it and easily come back to this page when I pull it up. And I like to put down the date I applied, the name of the company. I like to highlight the company so it's easy for me to see in my little sheet. What's the title of the job I applied for? In this case, I noted it was for a remote position, and I noted how much per hour the company said they would pay. So you can see that I've just listed different dates and different companies, and there's different titles. This one was easy because it gave me a job ID, so I could easily go to this company's site, search for this job ID number, and pull up the job so that if they called me, I could easily find this job and see the job description and know what they're expecting of me in detail. I also noted this company wanted 50% travel, so that I would know that in advance. Some companies, they do give you the salary range, so I list that. So you can see it's very simple stuff here. Put the date, the company, the title, and then some particulars that are of interest to you. So I did that as a few samples here. Of course, I've applied to many other jobs since then. It's a lot of work to find a job. In my case, I'm really a corporate contract recruiter, and I do need to work remotely. So I'm kind of more in a niche position. So it's going to take me a little longer, I have to realize, when finding my next assignment. Now, I also list on this page rejected, so that I could also keep track of those positions that rejected me so that I can not apply to that job again. So it's a simple thing. So maybe I want to know, oh gosh, did I apply to, say, KPMG? I'll do my search. No, I did not. So if KPMG has a job posting that I'm interested in, I will apply and I will add it to this list right here so I could easily find it. Or maybe I'll see a job from A2 Hosting and I'll say, gosh, did I apply to A2 Hosting? And yes, I did. I applied, and I'll see the date I applied, and I'll note that they have not yet rejected me. So it's just a simple form, but it sure makes life a lot easier, and also it will make you feel more comfortable once you do have a job interview from one of these companies, and you will know how to quickly find the job, and you'll have some information that may be of value to you. So good luck with all of our job searches, and let's have you subscribe to the button off to the bottom right so that you can see other exciting, informative videos like this.